Hello everyone, welcome to another session of virtual training in endodontics. And for today, we have kept a very small topic but very valid topic, and that will be how to understand your endomotors, endo handpieces, and if you want to buy them or upgrade them, so what should be the criteria. I am today I am available with two endomotors and one cordless endomotor, and one of the primary things that are used before we enter into the world of rotary endodontics, Enthogyr handpiece, or a we say it micromotor handpiece with gear reduction. So we are let's get started with the new topic. And if you have already bought one endomotor and you are still confused about torques and speed settings, then I am always available for uh, clear out of confusion and confusion. And if you have not bought it and you are still using files, the hand files, or you want to really buy one, then hope this video will be helpful. So I am just giving out the very crisp knowledge about these hand pieces and endomotors with a very limited available time, and lot of information is available through YouTube channel and Facebook. And I believe that once you want to buy certain products in rotary endodontics, you have to actually discuss with your friends and your seniors, so that before you buy them you don't make a mistake and you feel that something has gone wrong. So I have kept only 4 5 topics, like what is the type of handpiece, and what is the kind of head that we get, and the kind of gear reduction we get, what is the size of the head, what are the parts of an endomotor, and definitely price will be a major decision maker, so that it will help you in many ways. Also, I will cover the disadvantages of each one of them, so that when you buy, you have a clear idea. So, I'm starting with this golden color handpiece, and if you see clearly, it is written 50 is to 1. Okay, so this 50 is to 1 reduction means that if you are using on the minimum setting of your micromotor, these handpieces actually uh, are placed directly onto the micromotor handpieces of your chair, and these are called Enthogyr or reduction gear handpieces. I am using this one since almost 12 years now, and still it is my favorite. And it was introduced to me when I was doing my post graduation. I started with my post graduation, and this became my best friend. So I am totally in love with this handpiece. So it says 50 is to 1. That means let's look again. It says 50 is to 1. So this means that if the minimum RPM that is available in your micromotor is 2500, let's take an example of 2500, and you divide it with 50, so it will produce that much RPM. That means minimum RPM it can produce is 50 times divided of what your minimum RPM is produced by your micromotor handpiece or micromotor. So if 2500 is the minimum RPM, it will create at least 50 RPM. So at least 50 RPM uh, of um, at least 50 RPM can be produced. So most endodontic products that are used are within the range of 200 250 to maximum 500 or 600 RPM. So accordingly you have to adjust the knob of your micromotor speed controller. Okay, and there is no speed control or gear control in these handpieces. There is another thing called as Enthogyr handpieces with gear reduction. Unfortunately it is not available with me in this video, but sure I will make another video on that. So this is like the gearless scooters that we use. They have the speed, you can control the speed, but there is no gears on that. So this is a gearless handpiece, and once you get hang of it, when you understand that you can use these, it becomes a part of your daily routine. Something similar to it, there is a handpiece attached to a endomotor. So this is Xmart endomotor. You can see this display. Okay, so I will tell you what all parts are there. This is the cord and the handpiece. This is the part of the handpiece, and you attach it. It becomes, see this, if you can see, 16:1. So this is the kind of gear reduction, standard gear reduction this piece has. You can see multiple things on this endomotor. There is speed, there is torque, there is gear system, program. This is the battery indicator, the siren or the sound, auto reverse you can see, and F, that means it will rotate in forward motion. So you can change this forward into R, that means it can go into reverse direction also. The screen is LED screen, LCD screen with monotonous color, that means only monochrome or one color is available. So there is gear system 1:1, 4:1, 10:1, 16:1, and 20:1. So in ideal situations 16:1 is used. For memorizing, if you are not using a particular system, then this memory button is available here, and it will help you in doing your own settings for this endomotor. There are standard buttons like speed button, torque button, and program button. This is not a detailed version of Xmart video, so I am just talking about the basic parts of an endomotor and the basic settings that you will be using during a rotary instrumentation. So if I use 16:1 and I change the torque, this is auto reverse, that means if the particular torque is achieved, the handpiece will make sure that the file does not go any forward and it becomes reverse. So I am moving on to the forward part, and the minimum torque, that is 0.8, can be achieved, and maximum, I'll change the gear, 16:1, the minimum is 0.6 and maximum is 5.2. So all these Newton centimeters of torque is used in most cases because different brands give different torque settings for their own products, because they are proprietary and they are helpful in understanding and minimizing the separation of files. This is the speed that you can see, 800 is the maximum speed that can be used, and minimum I believe it should be 120. So this is the minimum speed setting that is available for different files. Coming on to the handpiece part, it has got a small switch here, and there, if you see, there are 6 notches made here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 notches are available. That means the handpiece can be attached in 6 directions. Okay, this is the basic information about XSmart. This is one of the uh, initial product that was offered by the company in early days of rotary endodontics, that it was introduced in India. But now there are so many companies that are available, and a higher version of XSmart Plus was available with a colored screen. Let's see. So you can have a look at it, and I have switched off the flash of the camera while recording because it will be much clearer for the screen to capture. So there are file systems that are already available in this Gates this is a programmable system, and you can have at least 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 files in this system. Apart from it, reciprocation system is available, Wave 1 system is available, Wave 1 Gold factory settings are available, ProTaper S1 and SX file, S2 file, settings for F1 file, F2 file, F3, F4 and F5. Can you see this change in torque? See, I'll show you again. Change in torque. The RPM is set, but different torques are required at different areas. S1 and SX are mainly working on the coronal 1/3 of the canal, and that's why higher torques are used, so that lot of dentine can be removed and we can get over the hindrance. But at the apical end, if we see, you can have minimum 1 or 1.5. These are the best torque that are available. ProTaper next, all the files have their own speed and torque. This is preset in this system. Usually they have a forward and a indicator for battery and the sound. Similar system, similar is like auto reverse button is there, speed and torque buttons are there, and these handpieces have, this actual machine has the benefit of using reciprocation systems. Most rotary systems are continuous rotation, but few products are available for endodontic purpose that have reciprocation in them. That means there is a 30-degree or 150-degree clockwise direction and reversal of 150-degree or 30-degree backward rotation. I'll show you one of the files how it works, and you will get to know how a reciprocation file can be different. Okay, so one more thing is there, that you don't have to press this button to insert the file. You should always take a file and just press it inside. Just press it inside and take a clockwise movement and it snugly fits in. You could heard there was a snap sound, and I will show you how reciprocation or Wave 1 Gold works. This is just another file. It is not a actual Wave 1 file. This is a universal SX file from ProTaper system, and just keep your eye on the yellow marker, the stopper of the file. And I'll show you how it works. So you can see the movement of the file. You can see it feels like it is moving, and you can actually understand it better. Let's move on to a ProTaper, and you can see the rotation here. So these two kind of different motions are available for endodontics, and that is why reciprocation, because some studies have been done and they show that reciprocation systems make the endodontic treatment a lot more easier, and single file systems have come up. They help you in doing lot of root canal treatments with a lot of economy in time. So these are the basic informations about the endodontic motors that I can give you. There is another handpiece. This is a cordless handpiece from Dentsply. This is called IQ Smart handpiece. This is, you can see the ratio here, it's 6.1. See the beautiful design of this machine. There are no cords available to it, and it is a standalone machine with all the features placed inside this body. And the beauty of this product is this handpiece can be rotated 360 degrees. You can see this 360-degree rotation. So for all the people who are doing advanced endodontics with microscopes, and those dentists who want to really move ahead in their practice and want to create their own niche, then they are going for these kind of handpieces. Yes, certain brands have handpieces with displays on this side that has all the controls, but this machine has the control system over a iPad with a special software or an app, and that controls the torque and settings. This is related to a Bluetooth system. See this, there are changes in the light, and it will show you that the battery status, and if the blue light goes on, it is attached to the app. So these handpieces are also available, and let's discuss, if all these handpieces are available, how to make a good decision about them. So let's see. I will show you, this is the finest head I have used in my endo. Finest. When no other products were available, this was the smallest head that was available. I'm talking about 2008, 2009, 2012. Till 2012, this Anthogare handpiece had no competition, and you can see such a small head is there. But compare the size even with the latest handpieces. See, at least a short in height, and it gives a beautiful comparison. See, okay, but it comes with its own disadvantages. There is no torque control, and this is a rough and tough handpiece. I believe this is one of the most this handpiece has seen so many seasons. It has been in my practice for 12 years now, and it is an amazing product that I have been using for a very long time. Coming to XSmart machine, this one. So the head size is compatible. It's compatible, but the head size is compatible, and this machine has been in the industry for almost 18 years now, and the performance has been rock solid. So if you are not into reciprocations and your rotary endodontics is your daily driver, then this is a good machine. It comes with a very long battery life and lot of other advantages, like it is very cost effective. Around 45,000 rupees was the initial price when we bought this, and usually it is bundled up with certain product benefits and other things. But yes, uh, the best part about these motors are they come with a standard warranty, and your work will not reduce, because just in case you uh, you buy them, but you're not using them because of any malfunction in the product, your representative who has given you this product, the company representative, they usually take up a sense of service to you, and a product is given to you till it is in the service. A replacement product is provided so that your work is not stopped. And if you are investing for one time and you want that your endomotor should give you a very long service of around 10 years, 8 to 10 years, I believe this is a good product. You can invest in this. Coming to this product, XSmart Plus, the handpiece is good. They are most comfortable, bigger start and stop button, so it becomes more ergonomic for you. The cord part is still there, but I believe if reciprocation is your game and you're doing more cases with reciprocation, this is the standard machine that you should invest in. Best part about this machine is that I do not need to remember the torque settings and speed settings for my ProTaper or my ProTaper Gold system. I can go ahead with the same settings as displayed on the screen, and it looks beautiful also. The good colorful LCD design is there, and it helps me in many ways. Um, One of the basic advantages I saw I could get in this machine is this machine gives me a maximum RPM of 800 for a for any given condition. It gives me a 800 RPM for endodontic purpose. But this machine is good enough, and it can give me just focus on the screen and I'll show you that it gives a highest RPM of 1200, and I need this kind of RPM when I'm using a Gates griddle or a piezo reamer for making space for my post and core. I need this kind of higher speed, around 1100 to 1200, and that works great for me. So that is why it is a good deal for me, because uh, low battery life, it does not bother me anymore. I keep it charged for a day, like it can be charged for within 2 days or 3 days time, and it works for routine OPD works for me, and this is good for my practice. Coming to this handpiece, this is the ultimate game changer. It is the top notch piece that a practice can have, but the only disadvantage I will say is uh, the kind of cost it has gone through. This XSmart Plus is around 75 or 80,000. I don't know. You have to find out the local prices because it may differ with different people. This is this is quite expensive. Uh, you need to invest around 1.35 lakhs to buy this one. Along with that, there is another extra purchase of a iPad that you might have to buy. But once you are using this, so this is so handy and well balanced handpiece that if you're using this, actually on the app it records every single case, what orc you have used with what file, and it is very versatile with all the angles that you can see. The only disadvantage is it is a cordless handpiece. So what happens with a cordless handpiece is we all are humans and we are supposed to make mistakes. So if you are making a mistake of dropping this handpiece, it might be a what you say, these are delicate machines. These are highly calibrated machines with lot of machinery inside, with lot of effort done on the science of this machine, and there is a possibility that you might drop these, so repair can be expensive. That is the only point of being expensive, and the repairs are expensive if you drop them. But if you use them very carefully, these handpieces can be the game changer, because patient usually sees the kind of machinery we are using, and a high end machine definitely brings a lot of respect from the patient side also. And the kind of gadgets that we use, it fantasizes the patient and gives a lot of sense of comfort to the patient that you are using a good product. So I want to show you how to remove a file and place a file inside a endo handpiece. There is a small button here, notch here, and you have to just press it and remove it. But while placing this, do not press the button, just place it like this and press it hard and rotate it. So we have covered the type, the head size. You can see the head size is so small now. These are basically these head sizes give you a lot of advantage when you're doing posterior molars, and a lot of occlusal anatomy can be visible. Head size we have talked about, price we have talked about, disadvantages, no torque control. Let's repeat: no torque control, standard handpiece but no reciprocation. Uh, Reciprocation but less battery life, and that's it. And these are, if you don't drop them, this is the best machine you can buy for endodontics, and it will definitely run for a very long time. But just don't drop them from hand. We are all humans, there is a possibility of dropping them. So this is what all I could cover today in a single video. Let's hope to meet again very soon on another video, and take good care of yourself. Bye for now. And I am available on Facebook. You can get in touch with me through YouTube comments and Instagram and Twitter. So let's hope to meet again very soon, and I need your feedback, lot of feedback on this. Bye. Take care.